Use your Highlight and Take Note tool to find textual evidence that answers each of these questions. Did the Carpathia respond to the Titanic's SOS messages? Why didn't the Carpathia arrive in time? Did the Californian respond to the SOS messages? And why didn't the Californian arrive in time? Let's do the first one together. In order to determine if the Carpathia responded to the Titanic's SOS messages, we'll need to go back in the text to paragraph 22. Please go ahead and scroll up with me. Let's reread paragraph 22. Usually, the Carpathia's maximum speed was about 14 knots. Captain Rostron would do his best to beat that. He said, I immediately sent down to the chief engineer and told him to get all the firemen out at once and do everything possible. So for here, I'm going to highlight that section of text, click Highlight and Take Note, and then type in, yes, the Carpathian did respond to the Titanic's SOS messages. When I'm done, I'll click Save and then scroll back down to my question and take a look at the next piece. Why didn't the Carpathia arrive in time? Please, when you are finished, select OK. If you do need help, click I need help and we'll send my teacher a private message. Please send Ms. Segrin, Ms. Durr, or Ms. LaPaglia a private message so that we can support you. When you're finished, click Submit.